COS. What is that thing that Defense Secretary committed that made him to become Sabo? They will tell you he's contacting somebody that by our people, according to them, not me. They said that they bring somebody back. They brought him back, and who's the person? Caterpillar. Okay. Mention the people that Caterpillar bad. They will tell you he buy Biafrans. According to him, he's here calling names of those, according to him, unalive by Butoso. According to him, not me. Don't quote me on that. He said it. The question is, if you despise Caterpillar, then why are you also in support of the man, this man you are calling now that he buy people? You said that he's now repented, and he welcomed him back and made him and become general of all generals and all that, right? Good and fine. Why are you now causing problem that Caterpillar? This is not me telling that Caterpillar is a USB or not. I'm just asking just simple question based on what he said. Because one of the things that I made, the reason why he talked about me on his platform is because of my video where I told Biafrans here on this platform that my own observation on all this that is going on, that I believe that this singular guy was not happy. It was just like he had something like betting with Ikenga, something like that. That you will have someone like Caterpillar in the midst, something like that. That something happened between them, a said word. So he want to prove beyond every reasonable doubt that what he says stands. He begin to attack CS. And once they want to attack anybody based on their personal game, they will try to drag Biafran to that. They will try to make the person look bad in eyes of Biafrans. And blind. Why doing that? They will blindfold Biafrans from knowing what they know that made them to attack the person in the first place. Meaning that they're lying to you about the person's identity, for you to believe what they're saying. In other words, they don't want you to know what they know. They want to know what they want you to know, so that you can hate the person they want you to hate. When they want to love, they want you to love the person because they love the person. So the question is, have you submit your brain to anybody to manage for you? The answer is no, right? What are you paying attention to what I'm saying then? I don't know if you are following what I'm saying. You claim that one of your reasons is that Caterpillar joined. In your own word, he buy many people. Okay. Here, you are attacking Biafrans, CS in particular, for not sending money to Butroso. According to you, even though CS and USB said that they sent, they are in good time with good. They don't have any problem with the Butroso. Everybody, like I was, is just like, oh, Butoso, na Butoso, na Butoso, Bonka, no Bonkoso, good and fine. The same you people, we turn around. Bobo Caterpillar, no many government goes. The same you are counting names of people. To me, I can't make sense out of it. I can't just see that and ignore it. Make it to make sense to me, because everything you guys are saying is highly contradicting each other. You cannot make such contradicting statements and expect people to go and hug their pillow and sleep off. No, explain more. We need more explanation to what you just said. This is to tell you why I'm touching all those things. This is to tell you, my people, that our people are good at this. Even in Nigerian politics, among the politicians from Southeast, once they want to achieve something, they will go at any length to blackmail their brother, their family, anybody, for people to turn against that person. Me, I hate liars. People who want to lie to me to take advantage of me. That is one of the things that I despise so much. If you want me to help you, complain. Don't hide. I've not even put my number. Our brother is calling and I have to answer because this is the Easter. Hello? Hello, sir. Hello?